How to fix Telegram late message problem. So if you want to fix Telegram late message problem, then there are a few steps that you can do. So the first fix is you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your message will be sent late. So in order to check, you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi, or if you're using your Wi-Fi, then switch to your mobile data for some time, or if you're using your mobile data, then switch to your Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Telegram application and then go for app info. Under your app info, you need to go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you tap on clear cache, now your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with clear storage. Once you tap on clear storage, your storage will be cleared. And once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and you can go for search and search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, now here, if you have any updates under your Telegram, then you just need to simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. And once you've done all of these, now you can simply restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option, restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Telegram late message problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.